Hello guys, my name is Winnie Sarah. I am a nurse in Kenya, and in today's video I want to show you how to maintain a cold chain, how we remove vaccines from the fridge to the cooler box to when we vaccinate the children. So come with me. So this is the fridge we are using from the hair company, and this is how the vaccines should be arranged in the fridge. So when we open, you'll see if they're really arranged this way. So this is our monthly temperature recording sheet. Yeah, we usually record here every day. So when you come in the morning, you see the dates are arranged from date 1 of the month to date 31 if the month ends on 31st. But for like this month, it's February, it ends on 28th, so we'll just write until here. So when you come in the morning, the first thing you do, you check the fridge, you open the fridge, and you write the temperature that you'll find on the AM side. So like today I've not written, but I'm going to write. So after you write for the AM, you write here, then you just leave it like that. Then when you come back in the evening, you'll write here on the PM side. Then the same morning, after you've written the one for the AM, you'll have to check the maximum temperature for the previous day and write it here. And then you check the minimum temperature for the previous day and write it here. Then you sign at the end. Yeah, then you sign at the end. So I'm going to open the fridge, and you're going to see how you're going to do it. Yeah, so let's open the fridge. So when you open the fridge, as you can read, the temperature here is 2.8. So this 2.8 I'm going to write on the AM side. Then I'll press here read. Then I'm going to read the maximum. As you can see here, it's written max, so it's maximum. The maximum temperature is 3.6. Then again I press read, and the minimum temperature is 2.5. Yeah, then after that you press set so that it can start recording again for today. So I'm just going to record the temperatures. So for PM it was 3.6 maximum, then minimum it was 2.3. Then today in the morning, I just write here the temperature that it was. Then when I come back, I'm going to, in the evening, I'm going to write here on the PM. Then I'm going to sign against the one for yesterday. So this is our cooler box. I'm going to open our cooler box. This is where I'm going to put the vaccines. And this is how I'm going to put the vaccines. So first of all, I'm going to take the ice cubes. I'm going to take the ice cubes from here so that I can arrange them. So these are the ice cubes. I'm just arranging them in the cooler box. I take the other ice cubes and put them here. Then after I put them here, I take this paper. I'm going to put the vaccines in this paper. And you know the fridge is not supposed to be open for a long time, so I'm just going to show you how the fridge should be arranged. So from the top, the purple tray, this is polio vaccine. The next blue tray, it's BCG and measles. The next green tray is rotavirus. Then the next yellow tray is tetanus and IPV. Then the next orange tray is pentavalent, that is DPT. Then the last one is PCV10, that's pneumococcal, and TCV. Yeah, TCV, it's a new vaccine that has been added in Kenya. It's the typhoid conjugate vaccine. Yeah, so let's just take the vaccines. Just taking the vaccines. are here. I'm putting them on it. So there are our vaccines. Then I'm going to take these droppers. Yeah, I'm going to take these droppers because I'm gonna need them. So let's close our cooler box and I'll show you the next step. So make sure the fridge is well arranged the way it was before. Then yeah, that's how we maintain a cold chain. So the vaccines are from this fridge to this cooler box, and then I've already recorded the temperatures. Then when I come back in the evening, I'm going to write here on the PM sign. Yeah. Yes. Acha nikuje nione. Kwani ulimleta afanye nini? Oh. Sawa.